Say good evening mga chef. Luto tayo ng ating i-mute mo lang. Sorry baby, I need to palengke haul. Yawa na. Ano nang nangyari dito sa ating hindi maganda yung aking pakiramdam. Palengke haul. Oh Monty, that's yours. Tawag nito. Giniling ni Monty. Hotdog ni Ate Nicole. Ulam namin yung may ganito. Namiss ko yung luto natin bilin. Tapos may gulay. So yun yung aking gagawin. So, meron akong 2 bell pepper. Tapos meron pa akong isang Argentina. Ito papatikin ko sa kanila kasi hindi pa nila itong tikman. Bumili ako ng kamyas. Papatikin ko sa 2 mamaya. Sabihin ko matamis. Meron tayong mamasitas at saka itlog. Babe, you know we don't have egg na, babe. Are you still getting the egg from there? Yeah, there's eggs. That's okay. You're leaving anyway. So, meron tayong Baguio beans. 1/4 yung binili ko. Kasi, ewan ko kung may kasama ba yung niluto ni ate doon. May Baguio beans tayo. Monty, this is not for you. I forgot to buy your kangkong. Meron tayo sayote. Hindi siya kakain ng sayote pero nilagyan ko. Meron tayong, parang may missing sa aking carrots 2. Tapos sibuyas and bawang. Tapos ito. What are you looking for, baby Ana? This is vegetables. Yeah, this is vegetables. Okay. Ano mo ko pa? Hawak mo kaya na ko. Gusto niya hawakan. Try it. Hold it. That's vegetables, baby. Okay, magluto tayo ngayon na gulay na may kasamang Argentina. But before that, ito papatikin ko muna sa kanila. Papatikin ko pa juga. Wait lang. Yung kamyas. Papatikin ko sa kanya. Hindi niya pa ito nakain eh. At saka di ko alam kung alam niya ba itong prutas na ito. Prutas po. Taste it. Come here. This is what you call kamyas. Come na. Taste it. It's very sweet. You may not like it.
It's sweet. It's the opposite of it.
No. You look at me. Look at me, babe. It's very sweet. Come, babe.
Wait.
Come. Where are you going?
Garbage.
Alak, kinain na kaya ako. Kinain niya na yung gulay.
Tapos?
Yan na, it's not. You have to cook it first. You have to cook it first. That's raw.
That's cabbage. You can eat raw. That's cabbage. You can eat raw cabbage. Where you cook cabbage?
Yeah, I know, but it's not even washed. Hugasan mo muna, Cox. Bigay mo sa kanya, Col. Baby, ayan na. Wait. Oh, no. Ate, we're gonna wash it. So, ate can give it to you. No crying needed, baby. It's okay, ate. Faster. Give it to Ayana. Ayana likes cabbage. You like cabbage? Mama need to cook that one, baby Ayana. Come here. Tagal naman ng isa. Oh. Yung pangit ng aking yung pangit ng aking mukha.
Sarap ba?
Yeah,
Or
try
joke
mo
lang
ito.
yan?
Matamis nga.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Kamyas. In English, I don't know.
Kamyas.
Kamyas. No, I have, come here, let's sit together. Come.
Prank lang yan.
Wait, you have to see your face.
It's
Come
sour.
na. Ay, naku. Ay, wala naman to sa
I get acid going now.
You didn't even eat it. You just taste it.
That's enough to get acid going.
Wala naman to nakikisali. Hindi naman to nakikisali yung mga ko.
What you doing?
Hindi naman to sila good pretender.
She's eating the whole cabbage.
Asim?
No, eat sweet. Very sweet.
Ayana, baby. Uy!
Ano ba ito, maasim?
Please.
Ano ito, maasim?
Vegetables.
Huh? Babe, she's eating the garbage, babe.
It's okay. It's raw cabbage, so it's not harmful. It's vegetables.
Look, look,
We
look,
eat
look,
raw
look, look.
cabbage Also.
I see. Spirit out. Eh?
Oh, wait.
Ah, bastos ka.
Ang asim.
Di naman maasim.
Where's the remote gone now? Where's the remote?
Come here, school. Yan yung prutas sa amin nung maliliit kami.
Ang asim.
Pang sinigang yan siya.
Hello?
Hey, it's me.
It's Chance. Oh, I don't feel like kissing anyone. I can't kiss everyone. So I'm kissing everyone?
No. You can't kiss Ross. That's your brother.
Oh, yeah, that's a
Well, perfect. So now everybody's gonna kiss but me. All right, somebody kiss me. Somebody kiss me. It's midnight. Somebody kiss me. Somebody kiss me. It's midnight. Yeah.
Huh?
Were burned.
Carrots.
With the permission of the authorities,
Like carrots?
we returned to see what evidence we could find. Some of the alleged
No.
crimes were trivial. Even
Ano
attempts
nang
to
ginawa mo
criticize
sa ano?
Russia are saying they're sending to
Cabbage
jail
natin.
to face torture for 4 days.
Here, someone was arrested because they had a message in his phone that says something bad about President Bashar Assad. Yeah, it was just 6 years ago. I don't know if it's good. I think that,
Hiwa
at
nito.
that time,
Kalimutan ko na.
everyone was on it.
And yet the evidence they have is a message on the phone. This.
Ito na yung aking mga shots, yung ulam namin for tonight. Yan lang yung aming ulam. Kami ni Jowa. Si Nicole, iba yung ulam niya. You want to eat now, Yana? You want rice now? And vegetables? Okay, Mama will make your food. Ay nako, yung sipon mo. Wipe your nose. I feel hot, babe. Mama is hot. Oh my goodness. What are you having, baby Yana? You're having vegetables? Ang ingay naman ng ano na to. Pinapanood niya. Mamaya na nga lang. This one here. Then daddy your nose. Here, come on daddy. Go daddy here. No. One more. Okay, Mama will do it.
Okay. Here. Oh. Look at this one. Okay.
Oh, last one.
Last one.
Last one. Okay.
Oh. Just clean your nose, no? Just want to clean your nose. You can breathe properly. Put some Vicks on, no?
Bye, daddy. Go to work, daddy.
Okay. Nicole. I'm going. Take care.
Say bye-bye, daddy. Where's daddy's Plankies? Plankies, daddy. Babe, she's... Say bye-bye, Plankies. May sipon. Ah! May sipon. Bye-bye, daddy. Daddy. Bye-bye, daddy. Bye-bye, daddy. Bye-bye, daddy. Bye, daddy. Bye-bye, daddy. Go to work, daddy. Bye-bye, daddy. Bye, daddy.
Itong mga bata.
Ha? Bye-bye na, daddy. Okay. Moon. Where's the moon? Yana, where's the moon? The moon. The moon. Moon. Moon.